Friends, open PicsArt. Now tap on plus icon. Now tap on backgrounds. Now I have to select the circle, color circle. Now bring this circle to purple, dark purple. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Finish the first step, tap on tools. Now tap on crop. Now select the portrait option in the center. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select the light PNG. Then this is the light PNG. Now tap on blend, tap on screen, zoom out and arrange like this. Perfect. Now tap on layers. Now tap on duplicate and bring it to center and decrease the size. Perfect, and decrease little opacity. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select the model images one by one. This is the model image. By using this cutout tool, I already erased the background. Okay, you should also cut out and arrange this model in the perfectly in the center here. Now tap on eraser, tap on erase, increase the size, decrease the opacity, decrease the hardness. Now erase on the bottom portion like this. Now tap on tick and arrange perfectly in the center. Perfect. Now we have to decrease the opacity little bit. Keep it around 70. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select the standing pose model image. Standing pose model image, you have to arrange perfectly in the center like this. It is perfect. Now tap on shadow, tap on position and keep both 100 and 100. Perfect. Now tap on adjust, make it 100 and keep the second one to around 20. Perfect. Now tap on screen. Now go to text, write the model name. Tap on done, tap on tick. Now select the up arrow. Now tap on my fonts and select the heaters font. I will give the font link in the description. This is the font. Arrange it perfectly in the center. Perfect. Now again tap on shadow. You can see it is perfectly arranged. Bring little down. Perfect. Now tap on add photo and select the shadow PNG. Shadow PNG, squeeze it little bit and bring it below the legs. Now tap on layers, tap on move down. Perfect. It is perfect. Now decrease little opacity. Now it is perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select the next PNG. This is the PNG. Squeeze it. Bring little down. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, we have to go to brushes. Select the fourth brush and we have to hold it down and select this one. Increase the size, decrease opacity, and one here, decrease opacity, and here, another one here. Is perfect. Now again scroll it to the up and select the one and size around 50 and opacity also around 50. Draw another one here. Perfect. No tap on. Next step, you have to save this image. Let us jump into the Snapseed app. Open Snapseed app, tap on click and add the image again. Use the image. First step, tap on pencil. they are around 25. Tap on. Next step, tap on pencil. Have to tap on selective and increase little bright. Perfect. Now tap on pencil. Now go to final step, tools.